What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, consider subscribing. It really helps out a lot. Today's custom is going to be on a pair of Air Force One highs. This custom is inspired by the brand Gucci, so let's get into it. Alright, so the first thing we gotta do is we gotta unlace them and prepare the leather. And we can draw the snake on it. So let's get to it. Next thing we need to do is we need to prepare the leather. I'm going to be using Angelus Leather Preparing Glazer. Alright, so now that the shoe is all prepared, we can start to draw the snake onto the shoe.
Perfect.
If you guys made it to the end of the video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe. I'm going to be trying to push out content every single week for you guys. As always, if you want to purchase these will be on my Instagram at Eastside Customs with 2 S's. I'll see you guys next video. See ya.